Thousands of machines reach the end of their life every year. Left exposed, they slowly decay into scrap.
But inside these machines, valuable material still remains.
This is where recycling begins.
Inside modern facilities, old tractors are transformed into new machines.
Scrap arrives from farms, auctions, and industrial suppliers. Each component is logged and tracked digitally. Hazardous fluids are safely removed.
Materials are evaluated for reuse or recycling.
Cleaning removes contaminants before processing.
Major components are dismantled.
Large sections are cut into manageable sizes.
Materials are sorted by type. Scrap is reduced into smaller fragments.
Powerful shredders break down steel structures.
Steel is separated using magnets.
Non-ferrous metals are sorted separately.
At over 1500 degrees Celsius, steel liquefies.
Molten steel is transferred for refining.
Impurities are removed and composition adjusted.
Material composition is precisely measured.
Steel is cast into solid forms.
The metal cools into structural steel.
Components are precisely machined.
Laser cutters shape structural components with millimeter precision.
Frames are reinforced using automated welding systems.
Transmission gears are machined from recycled steel.
Engine cylinders are restored to factory tolerances.
Critical engine components are replaced with new parts.
Fuel systems are recalibrated for efficiency.
Balanced components improve durability and performance.
Assembly begins with the tractor chassis.
The rebuilt engine is installed into the frame.
The drivetrain is connected and secured.
Hydraulic systems power heavy agricultural functions.
Modern tractors rely on complex electronic systems.
Heavy-duty wheels are fitted for field operation. The operator cabin is installed last.
Electronic systems are checked before testing begins.
Each rebuilt engine undergoes its first startup.
Emission levels are measured against modern standards. Hydraulic systems are tested under load.
Performance testing simulates real operating conditions. Safety systems are inspected before approval.
Surfaces are prepared for protective coating.
Primer protects the recycled steel from corrosion.
Final paint gives the machine its new identity. Controlled heat cures the protective coatings. Branding and safety labels complete the exterior. The cabin is equipped for operator comfort and control. Every structural connection is verified.
Operational fluids prepare the tractor for deployment.
Power systems are connected before final inspection.
The tractor is tested under simulated field conditions.
Electrical systems are tested for reliability.
Finished tractors are protected before shipping. Components are secured for safe transportation. Finished machines await global distribution.
The rebuilt tractors are prepared for delivery.
From scrapyard to showroom, the cycle is complete.
Tractor technology has evolved for more than a century. Early tractors transformed agriculture forever.
Today's machines combine power with advanced technology.
Recycling steel saves enormous amounts of energy and resources.
What was once scrap is reborn as a working machine.
These rebuilt machines return to the fields once again.
Modern recycling plants operate on an extraordinary scale. Future innovations are reshaping agricultural machinery.
Behind every machine is the skill of industrial workers.
This is not just recycling. It is industrial rebirth.